Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to search using images on Gemini AI. Now let's begin. As you can see, I've already logged into my Gemini AI account. If you have not, do go to gemini.google.com and sign in right now. Now this is the homepage that you will be directed to once you have signed in. So what we can do right here is look at the bottom of the screen, that is enter a prompt here. In here there are two options, that is upload image and use microphone. Let's click on this upload image button. It is showing you can review your uploaded images in your pinned and recent chat in Gemini. I don't want to see it again, so let's click on got it. Again, let's click on this upload image. Now I have two images here. This one is of a scenery and this is an algorithm. We're gonna look at both of them. So let's search the first image and click on open. And I'm just gonna write a simple prompt here. And after you have written your prompt, you can either hit enter or click on the submit button. So let's submit. It might take some time. Well, it has given the output based on this image. Now let's try another image. Again, the same process, upload image. And now let's search for the algorithm. Open. Again, submit. And there you have it guys. That's how we search using an image on Gemini AI. You can also search for other things, but one problem I faced is that you cannot search for a person using their picture. So hope that helps guys. And for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.